Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So we're going to demonstrate here on a 2017 Honda Civic, but even if you have a different year, the video may be helpful. You guys have two different fuse boxes, but the transmission fuse box, guys, is actually located inside your vehicle. We're talking about the driver's side. And if you come right here, you can see under the dash, you look upside down, and if you look there, you're going to see a fuse box that looks just like this one. Now we can zoom in a little bit so you can see the whole fuse box, and we can explain which fuses you need to check here. But before we do that, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and realize that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the first fuse that we'll need to check for the transmission, guys, will come in that row right here, and you can see you have number 1, 14, 17 here. So the fuses start on this side going from left to right in order, and we'll need to check fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth fuse right here will need to be checked, that 5 amp fuse here, fuse number 4. Then we need to check fuse number 17, number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 10 amp fuse right here will need to be checked as well. And then we have fuse number 17, which is 14, 15, 16, 17. That 10 amp fuse will need to be checked for the transmission as well. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.